Fresh off the production line, this is the 100th Airbus A220 mid-fuselage that's made in China. It's a collaboration between the French aircraft manufacturer and China's jet maker Shenyang Aircraft Corporation.
And when we look at particularly the number of airports that have been developed in China since 2015, we believe that there is definitely a need in the western part of China. Airlines will need a smaller single aisle to address those new routes. We are talking about close to 150 new airports being developed by 2025, and this A220 will bring solution for the airlines to cover those routes.
But aircrafts that fly shorter routes could face strong competition with China's high-speed trains. What could be the niche for A220?
When we are talking about high-speed train, one observation is that in the western part of China, the high-speed train network is not there yet. But the airport is already being developed. So this is where we see that there is a potential for growth for A220 there. And then secondly, it is not incompatible with high-speed train. I mean, we see lots of similar situations on the eastern part of China where we have both the needs for high-speed train and as well flight connections.
Does China have a promising market for short-haul jets like A220? One aviation expert explains.
So I think definitely China with the domestic aviation route network to further evolve or further improve the quality, there would be proper market that these aircraft will fit very well. Yeah. And on the other hand, for any introduction of a brand new aircraft type into a market, we need proper base volume to prepare the MRO system, to prepare the spare network, to prepare the pilot and the crew talent team. Yeah. So this also set some prerequisite conditions for the introduction of the new fleet. We should still wait well and wait for the right moment to come.
The global aviation sector is still recovering from the pandemic shock. Among all the major buyers of aircrafts, China is a market with a strong rebound of both airline revenues and demand for new jets.
So during the past years, Avic system had undertaken both Airbus and Boeing's working package. Such tasks really helped the China aerospace and defense manufacturer system to be more efficient and to be more qualified to deliver the unit on time, on cost, on quality. It also helped we build up local aerospace supply chain system and help the Chinese manufacturer to better integrate with international aerospace supply chain system. Yeah. So China players got the capability and also will help Airbus to achieve more localization achievement.
And the future is bright for Chinese homegrown jet makers too. Partnerships like the one between SAC and Airbus have been driving China's aviation manufacturing system to be more efficient and innovative. That's vital for China to upgrade its local aerospace supply chain to deliver products that could meet the highest global standards.